If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Welcome, ladies. Atlantic ANTIC. Think of my Trini Mommy in the building. Trini Mommy in the building. Trini, come on.
Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Chop, chop now, y'all. Chop, chop again. Chop, chop now, y'all. Chop, chop again.
Come on.
Turn it out.
We gonna do it like this. Y'all ready? Change it up just a little bit, but we bouncing. Come on. Come on, come on.
All the shorties in the club, let me see your chest. Back it up, drop it down, let me see your chest. Get low, scrub the ground, let me see your chest. Push it up, let me see your chest.
Come on, come on. Let me see y'all wobble. Ladies, when you wet. Brooklyn. Khamit Kinks. Sexy and kinky. I see you, ladies. Come on. Come on, y'all, come on. Sexy and slow. Come on, take your time now. Here. DJ1. Hard Hittin Harry. Haitian All-StarZ. Come on. Here.
Yeah, when this change, it's my time. Yeah, I'm new to the game, but y'all might not say the way touch me like second the time. I can dance all day, all true still. Yeah, I'm looking at something like a true girl. A girl told me that a man that can dance like can possibly get down with the tool in his band.
DJayCee, I see it.
Let me see it vibrate. But when it's over, you don't need your bird. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low. Let me find a real band like the pro.
I like that. Come on, come on, come on. Brooklyn, Queens, Jersey, Uptown. Let's go. Christopher Wallace, y'all, come on. Crown Heights, Flatbush, Brownsville. Come on, see where you at. Come on. Let her, come on. Here. You gotta do it for the young and old, man. We mixing it up. Come on. Get it back, get up. Come on.
Girl, wobble it, but I'm a gobble it. If I say you're moving, can you get the head bobble it? You can wait on me, I'm straight ragged. If the girl say me, like
it's all love, y'all. Come on.
Boy, got a gift like it gotta be Christmas.
Take your time, take your time, take your time, take your time. Come on.
They want pictures, so they gon' frame up. You see that?
She said, "Man, I see you, baby. You represent Bright Beach, Coney Island." Yeah. I know I forgot somebody.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it to the old school a little bit. We're gonna take it to the old school a little bit. Let's see if y'all remember this one right here. Yo, DJ1. Pick and drop and cut. This one right here. Come on. 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 Haitian popping out to all my 80s babies. Where you at? Come on. Come on. Take your time. Some people don't know this, so we're gonna have to teach them this one right here. Here. Take your time, take your time. Come on, what we say? Uh-oh. I like that, I like that. Head of time, y'all, head of time. Well, y'all synchronized, I like that. Come on, let's go. Come on, what? Brooklyn, where you at? I'm not forgetting you, where you at? Come on, put it up, come on. Haitian All-StarZ, baby, I see it. Yeah, take your time, take your time. It's sweet, I like this. Come on, talk to me. Here. Where my kinky ladies at? Come on. You went to butt. Sexy, sexy. It was safe to do the butt back then. Right now, it was twerking. Sexy, sexy. Come on, y'all. All night long. It's all about enjoying yourself, man. We having a good time. We ain't problems. Come on, bro. Listen, I know everybody's on Facebook, I know everybody's on Twitter, I know everybody's on Instagram, so I need you to make it happen, okay? Tag us at Khamit Kinks, at Hard Hittin Harry, at Haitian All-StarZ. Get on your Facebook, get on your Instagram, come on, get on your Twitter. I want to see this all over social media. At Our New Essentials. Here we go. Make sure you hashtag ANTIC. Hashtag ANTIC. Big up brother Carlisle in the building. CPR Reggae in the building. Salute. Big up Sharon Gordon wherever that. Come on. Let's go, come on. We gonna do it like this, man. We just bumping it up. Yeah. Uptown. All my down south people, come on. Come on. Come on, y'all. Take your time together, come on. What you got to say? Yeah, Brooklyn, get your hands up one time, Brooklyn.
Say what you doing, trying to do.
Somebody take it back.
Just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can't stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's time to Cupid shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how to do.
Somebody take it to the right.
To the left, to the left.
The other left, girl.
To the left. Now kick down. Walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself.
Yeah, if you don't know the dance, now's a good time to learn it. Somebody get on the line right now. Party zone in effect, y'all. yourself.
Now walk it by yourself. To the right.
What's up, Queens, New York? What's up, New Jersey?
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Right kick.
What's up, Boogie Down Bronx? What's up, y'all?
Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Now you see
What I'm talking about.
I represent
To the dirty South.
where we're known for swinging out. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? If you're from Brooklyn, make some noise out there. What's up, Fort Greene? What's up, Clinton Hill? What's up, Park Slope? What's up, Sheepshead Bay? What's up, Crown Heights? What's up, East New York? What's up, Brownsville? What's up, Ocean Hill? What's up, Bushwick? Somebody work it out. I see you, Bed-Stuy. What's Graves End?
Here we go.
Yeah, somebody do the show for one time.
It's your boy QBC, the oddity. Mr. Fat on the track, got another key.
Hey, what if we ain't sweating yet? They ain't working hard enough here.
We got a brand new day. We got a brand new song. We got a brand new
Now, everybody just hold your space right there. If you're from out of town, put your hands in the air one time. If you're from out of town, let's take a trip to Chicago one time. Let's go.
Yeah, it's the Pied Piper of New York. Whoa.
If you know the song, somebody sing along. Let's go.
John Juan and them. Yeah.
It's Tony Two from iSoul Radio. Somebody work it out one time.
Said I know
Say what, Brooklyn?
somebody's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. All my Libras.
Somebody's gonna celebrate.
DJ Hard Hittin Harry. DJ1, let's work it out one time.
One thing's for sure, I'm gonna put on my attention and I'ma hit the door.
James from my home again. In Brooklyn. I'm sick of in the eyes with twist cabbage off instinct. It's so big. Shout out to Miss I see you. I need your Barbell. I see you, baby. This Barbell looking lovely. Down the rules.
Never lose. Choose to bruise. Do something to us. Talk to us. To us. Wanna do us. Screw us. Screw us. Yeah, Papa and come on. Close like stars. Here. Touch. Stick. Here. I squeeze three at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Take this. Recently, flying ain't saying nothing, so I just keep my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. I do as the who want it. You want it. That Brooklyn bullish. We on it. Can't you see?
Sometimes you will
Talk to me, come on, Brooklyn, let's go.
let your fashion ways up. This is why they're broken, yes, so
Haitian All-StarZ.